Beginning yesterday about the technical profession, lesson 4, unit first. Okay. After the study of this lesson, you can be able of to understand about the what is technology. Okay. Technology भनेको के हो? त्यसपछि भनेको who is known and technician. Technician कसलाई भनिन्छ? What is technical profession and importance of technical profession. Okay. यो पढेपछि भनेको टेक्नोलोजी के छ त्यसको बारेमा नलेज अब्टेन गर्ने टेक्निशियन कसलाई भनिन्छ त्यसपछि टेक्निकल प्रोफेसन के हो जसरी व्हाट इज टेक्नोलोजी ओके टेक्नोलोजी ओके टेक्नोलोजी इज द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ टूल्स ओके व्हाट इज टेक्नोलोजी Technology is the application of tools and machines for providing more using the less energy. Okay. What is technology? Technology is the application of tools and machines. Okay. For providing more using the less energy. Esto मेसिन्सहरुलाई युज गर्ने त्यो टुल्सहरुलाई युज गर्ने किन भनेको त्यसबाट लेस एनर्जी युज गरेर बढी प्रोड्युस गर्ने जसरी एज फर एक्जाम्पल यु सी इन द एन्शिएन्ट टाइम people were used to grind the grains the stone wheel of stone okay stone wheels they used more energy and production not increase more. At present, people are using the machines, the modern technology, and by using that machines, by using that technology, by using less energy, more production is used. You have already used in the village. You have seen. To grind the spice, है ना गांव घर में चाहे जहाँ पनि स्पाइस हरु पिस्नको लागि मान्छे तो स्टोन को प्लेन हरु युज गर्छन् त्यसलाई हाम्रो भाषामा भन्छ लोहो सिलोको हुन्छ त्यसलाई युज गर्छ अहिले जसबाट बढी एनर्जी युज गर्नुपर्छ बढी एनर्जी युज गरेर प्रोडक्सन गरेको लेस हुन्छ यस्तै भनेको जुन पनि मेसिनरी युज गर्ने हुन्छ मेसिनरी युज गर्ने भनेको एनर्जी युज गर्ने लेस प्रोडक्सन इन्क्रिज हुनु यसलाई भनिन्छ टेक्नोलोजी टेक्नोलोजी को के डेफिनेसन दिन सक्छ टेक्नोलोजी इज द एप्लीकेशन अफ टूल्स एन्ड मशीन्स ओके application of tools and machines why for producing more using the less energy use गरेर राम्ररी प्रोड्युस गर्न सक्छौ जसलाई पहिला तिमीले यसलाई लेखिहाले what is technology technology is the application of tools and machines for providing more and using less energy हुन्छ के गर्ने यसलाई बढी भनेको प्रोडक्सन बढी इन्क्रिज गर्ने र एनर्जी कति युज गर्ने धेरै कम युज गर्ने यसलाई भनिन्छ टेक्नोलोजी त्यसपछि टेक्निशियन who is known as the technician okay the person having knowledge and skill in the technology the person having knowledge and skill in the technology is known as technician and technologist. Okay, very simple answer. The person having knowledge and skill using technology is known as technician or technologist. Okay, who is known as technologist? The person having knowledge and skill using technology is known as technician or technologist. Okay, this પછી technical profession. Okay, what is technical profession? Jasari profession in the different types of profession without using technology cannot be the more effective. So in that types of the profession in which technology is applied, okay, technology is applied are called the technical profession. Testo profession jasma technology use गरिन्छ त्यसमा technology based छ त्यसलाई technical profession भनिन्छ. जसरी कि you here in the medical profession related to medical sector. Okay, medical sector को profession मा जसरी कि छ pharmacist छ, doctor छ, nurse छ, जति पनि profession छ. In all kinds of profession, technology is must. Without technology, the professional cannot give the effective profession, cannot provide the effective service. बिना technology को कुनै profession effective हुँदैन. जसरी pathologist without using technology cannot give the proper test for proper test. So technology is most essential in the industry sector, in the production sector. For the production, the technology is most important. If जति पनि profession छ सबै profession मा technology must छ. जसरी कि engineer helps to make the machines, to help the planes, motor, train, bridge, house, tractor, different kinds of things. Okay, these types of things are the technician used to make. Technician use सबै बनाउनमा use गर्छ. तो कसरी use गर्छ? By the technical this types of profession is called the technical profession. Okay, the what is technical profession? The profession in which the technician used to make the train, house, build a house, machines. These types of things are called technical profession. Okay, technical profession, importance of technical profession. Without technical profession, the profession cannot be the more effective. बिना technical profession को तो profession effective हुँदैन. Okay, इसलिए के गर्छ? Help the people to make their life easy and comfortable. Technical profession ले मान्छेलाई आफ्नो लाइफलाई easy र comfortable बनाउन help गर्छ. It enables the people to solve their problem. इसलिए पर्सनलाई जति पनि प्रब्लम छ तो प्रब्लमहरु सल्भ गर्नमा हेल्प गर्छ. At present situation, okay, whatever the problems we are facing, by using the technology, by using the knowledge, people are trying to solve. Okay, people are trying to solve. Okay, the people gain a skill, knowledge and ability from the technical profession. Technical profession बाट मान्छेले के अध्ययन गर्छ, एबिलिटी बढाउँछ, नलेज बढाउँछ, स्किल बढाउँछ. The demands of that professional increase more. Technical profession मा जति एबिलिटी increase हुन्छ, पर्सन को डिमान्ड increase हुँदै जान्छ. डिमान्ड इन्क्रिज हुँदै जान्छ भनेको उसको अर्निङ पनि इन्क्रिज हुँदै जान्छ. The technical profession is more effective. After that, they help the people to generate income and develop their community in the particular and nation in the general. जस्तै के गर्छ आफ्नो इन्कम जेनेरेट गर्छ त्यो कम्युनिटीको कुनै पार्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी छ चाहे नेसन छ यो सबैको डेभलपमेन्टमा हेल्प गर्छ. When the person helps to increase their income, they help to develop their family, after that community, society, and their nation. So that the technical profession is most important profession. With a technical profession helps the people to get their job opportunity. Whatever they have the technical knowledge, according to that people can get the job opportunity. They can generate their own income. They can generate their own employment. Okay. त्यसबाट टेक्निकल प्रोफेसनबाट उसले के गर्छ आफ्नो इम्प्लॉयमेन्ट आफै जेनेरेट गर्न सक्छ आफ्नो प्रोफेसन आफै जेनेरेट गर्न सक्छ. त्यसैले गर्दा टेक्निकल प्रोफेसन इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ. So what are the importance of technical profession? Technical profession. Okay. The technical profession importance are as follows. The people to it helps the people. It helps the people to make their life easy and comfortable. इसलिए मान्छेको लाइफ इजी र कम्फर्टेबल बनाउँछ. It helps to generate their it helps to increase income. It helps to increase income. It helps the professional. It helps the professionals to increase ability, skill, and knowledge. It helps to increase confidence. Okay. It helps to develop society and nation. Okay. Right now, homework. What is technical? What is technology? Okay. Technology. Define technical profession, right, signified importance of technical profession.